morning. Finally have some nice weather. Below freezing, good little wind, kind of crosswind with my setup here at the back of me. And I brought out about 2 dozen mallard decoys, half dozen of the FA rester full bodies, put them on the ice, put a couple of sleeper decoys on the ice as well, and then just kind of paired the rest up. Got a few pintails in there for some contrast as well. And basically I want them landing right here via cross shoot. And I don't usually run a spinner on cloudy days, overcast days like this, but with the fog, I will. Gives them a little more visibility. And I've had a few fly over, nothing really giving me a look. Not really sure what to expect. There's a few ducks around, but very, very few. So maybe this weather will get a couple in here. Holy cow. What? Oh my gosh. That's way too big to shoot. Wow, this is nuts. Oh, widgeon. Wow, look at all these ducks. Holy crap. Just need a little group. Yeah, they're landing here. This group of 5. Jeez. Well, there he is. He sailed. I should have had 2. Not the best shooting, but got 1. And what I was doing is I didn't want to shoot in that big flock. I waited for that little flock of 5, and the big flock kind of some skirted off. So I shot there because I didn't want to spook them as bad. And should have had 2, not square on, but I got 1. And he was just stone dead right there. So we'll make him into a nice little sleeper decoy. And yeah, spread worked on those. A few more. You can hear them before you see them with this fog, and then they just show up. Good thing is, the ones that are around, not flying too high today. I did not even see those, and all of a sudden here's a flock just circle around. Yeah, I was just like looking this way, and I thought it was just a gust of wind, and it's I don't know, 10 mallards, and just a pair landed, I think. But I got the drake. Oh, that was cool. Well, I got him. Second shot, I was right on him. Him and a Susie stayed from that group that just showed up out of nowhere. Holy cow. Look at all these ducks. Got two, got the double. Yeah, there they are. Nice old greenheads. Got the double on them. Slowly getting my shooting to improve. Not the best start, but making the most of it. Beautiful weather and beautiful decoying ducks. It's been a rare sight lately. Wow, this is this is crazy. They're not even making any noise for the most part. They just show up and appear like right over my head, and some of them land, some of them I have no clue. That was... There's a hen talking right now. After that first group of ducks I shot at, I switched my chokes, had my mod in, went to IC. I was not anticipating anything like this, but I'm more than happy to be wrong today. Holy smokes. There he is. Another nice old greenhead. And that is a mallard drake limit. I'm gonna wait a little longer, see if there's not something else mixed in, I think. But holy smokes, what a morning. We'll make him into a sleeper as well. Oh, that is awesome. probably been over 2 hours now since I got my mallard limit, and just been waiting for a bonus duck. And I have decoyed some more mallards. That was pretty much right after I got my limit, and it's been pretty dead about the last hour and a half. Not much flying, or if they are, I can't see. So I don't hear any. The fog is getting a lot thicker, so I don't know how much longer I'm gonna give it. Probably at least another hour just to see, but it's all right. I would not be opposed to a few more mallards coming in and putting on more of a show for me too. That the way they just been working today. Oh man, that's what dreams are made of right there. And I am calling that a day. An amazing, amazing day. Came out here, good wind, fog, freezing drizzle, and it worked on the birds. Came and set about 2 dozen mallard decoys on the little ice hole, and holy cow did they decoy. Ended with a all drake mallard limit. I held out for a couple hours after just to watch the mallards work and see if I couldn't get a bonus duck. I did hear a widgeon earlier in one of the flocks, but could not find one. So 5 drake mallards on the day, and an amazing day. And my shooting got better throughout the day as well. That's all you can really ask for. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Be sure to go out there and support those conservation organizations, Ducks Limited, Built to Waterfowl, and we'll catch you out there. See ya.